In our last video, you successfully installed Python on your computer. Now I'm about to show you something that will blow your mind. You can actually talk to Python directly. Let me show you how. First, let's open our command prompt. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and hit enter. Now, simply type Python and press enter. Boom. Welcome to the Python interpreter. This is where the magic happens. Notice these three greater than symbols? That's Python saying, hey, I'm ready for your commands. Think of the Python interpreter as your personal Python translator. You speak to it in Python code, and it instantly speaks back with results. It's like having a super smart calculator that understands way more than just numbers. You can use Python in two powerful ways. First, write code in files and run them, like we did in video 1. Second, chat with Python directly using this interactive shell, perfect for experiments and learning. Let's have our first conversation with Python. Type 2 plus 2. Watch this magic happen, and boom, Python instantly replies with 4. This is called an expression. It's any piece of code that produces a value. Python evaluated our math and gave us the answer. How cool is that? But Python isn't just a calculator. Try this, type 2 greater than 1. Python is thinking, and it says true. This is a Boolean value. Python's way of saying yes or no, true or false. It's like Python's digital opinion system. Let's test Python's logic again. Type 2 greater than 5. Let's see what Python thinks about this. Python confidently says false. See how Python thinks logically? It knows 2 is definitely not greater than 5. Python is pretty smart, right? Now, let's see what happens when we confuse Python. Type 2 greater than and just press enter without finishing. What's Python going to say about this incomplete question? Aha! Python throws a syntax error. It's basically saying, hey, you didn't finish your sentence. Even Python needs complete thoughts to work with. In programming, syntax is like grammar rules. Just like you need proper grammar to communicate clearly in English, you need correct syntax for Python to understand your code. When we wrote an incomplete expression, Python got confused and politely told us with an error message. Don't worry, errors are your friends. They help you learn and fix problems. Let's try some more examples to see Python's power. Type hello, world. Make sure to include the single quotes. Here comes our text. Python echoes back our text. It's like Python is talking to us. Try 10 times 5. Let's see Python do some quick math. Instant multiplication. 50. Python is faster than a calculator. How about Python plus space is awesome? Again, with single quotes around each text part. Watch Python work its magic with text. Python even combines text. This is called string concatenation. It's like Python is building sentences for us. This interactive shell is absolutely perfect for testing quick ideas, learning new concepts, debugging small pieces of code, and acting like a super-powered calculator. But here's the thing, when you're building real applications, you'll want something more powerful than this command line interface. That's where code editors come in. In our next video, I'll show you the tools that professional Python developers use every day to write, organize, and manage their code efficiently. But before we move on, I challenge you to experiment with this Python interpreter right now. Try these expressions on your own. 100 divided by 3, your name here in quotes, and 15 greater than 10. Drop a comment below with your favorite result. And if you're enjoying this Python journey, smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome Python content. See you in the next video where we'll explore the tools that will supercharge your Python coding experience.